So what is voice isolation on the iPhone? Let me quickly explain it to you. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, if you're running the latest versions of iOS and you update your phone regularly, you might have noticed that while you're on a call, you can switch to a different mode, right? Like if you swipe down to access the control center and tap on the microphone, you can switch between the different types of your voice for the call, right? And the voice isolation one aims to make your voice sound clear and almost studio-like, right? So if you are in a noisy environment, like you are on a call with someone and you want to make sure that the other party can listen to you and hear you clearly, you can switch to that mode. So it's going to focus on your voice only. And it's great because it filters out the background noise, as I said, and your voice, as I mentioned, is supposed to be prominently heard by the other person on the other end of the call. So that's how you can do this. As I said, it has been available since the iOS 15 and later, so it's very likely that you have that available on your phone. As I said, it is part of your calls, so if you are on a FaceTime call or in a different one, right? So even if you have like FaceTime video, that's where you can find it as well. One more thing though, some people might refer to the voice isolation when they are like recording voice memo or they are capturing some audio on their phone. Well, the voice memos, you also have some features which are supposed to like enhance the recording. It's literally called that way. And this might also isolate the voice when it's captured in a voice memo, but this is not the primary thing which people have in mind. So I just quickly had to mention that as well, but most likely this is not the thing you were thinking about, right? So yeah, let me know about that below in the comments. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this, and I'll catch you later.